So in today's session, I'm going to go through the most requested questions and the biggest problems which I think a lot of Google Ads users and advertisers experience, which is setting up the Google Call Ads tracking. And there seems to be a fair bit of confusion for a lot of people, so I thought I'll cover this topic for you. So all you need to do for tracking up your call tracking is you go to Tools and Settings, and then you go to your conversions, and from there you have a choice of 4 types of conversions over here: website, app, phone calls, and import. Import is where you can import data from Google Analytics or other third-party apps or programs. All we need to worry about is this one for today, is the phone calls. Click on that. You will get 3 different options. First is the calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads. The other one is calls to a phone number on your website and clicks on your number on your mobile website. Now the third one is only applicable if you got a separate website for your mobile. So instead of www, you might have m.yourwebsite.com or something like that. But usually the third option is hardly ever used these days because it's the first 2 which you need to worry about. So I'm going to start with the first one. Calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads. Continue. So category is pre-filled over here for phone call lead, which it is. You don't need to change it as such in here. So I'll keep it as phone call. Now what I tend to do is to have a naming convention for my conversions. So I can say calls from ads, and then I'll put my phone number in there. So I know that this is my conversion which I have set up, right? Then you need to put in a value for each conversion. If you haven't worked it out, then you should, because you need to know how much a call is worth to your business. So I'm just going to put in 100 for the time being. So the way you work this out is, let's say you get 10 phone calls and you convert at a 30% ratio from calls into customers, and each customer is worth, let's say, £100. So I've earned 3 customers at £100 each, so that's 300, and then I divide that by 10, which is the number of leads. So in that case I would be putting in here 30. So put a number in here, because then you can attribute how much your campaign is generating for your business or for your clients, right?